Hey, what's up, Sweat Hearts? Welcome to tutorial for Dangerous Love by Fuse ODG featuring Sean Paul. Simple step to start. We go side, side, double. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do arms and we're going to add some twists. So we start with that right hand. We're going to push and look up to it. 1, 2, other side. 3, 4. And then we're going to take that right elbow and we'll pull 5, 6, 7, 8 to switch. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to take it over to the left. We go 1, 2, body, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blades, pump, pump. So we're really pump, pump. And then we take it back over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see all that facing the front. Starting with the left, right hand. 1, 2, look up to it. 3, 4, pull, twist, and twist. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 2 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, now it's time to jump. We're going to take it up to the mirror. We're going to walk up. Right, left, right, together. We're going to make some fists and some elbows. And we're going to work the abs. We're going to pull the right knee, left knee, prep, and jump to walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump. Now these jumps can be anything you want. They can tuck, you could split, you could spread eagle. That's up to you. But it comes up. 1, 2, 3. This is all together. Hit, hit, jump of your choice. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that face in the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll repeat that jumping 4 times, front, back, front, back. Next section, we're going to take a little roll of the arms and a little dip side to side. We're going to start first walking to the left. As you turn, you're going to turn your body and you're going to walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around. Now we're going to be rolling the shoulders, the hands, and the elbows going to drop towards the mirror first, so towards downstage. So go down, up, down, up, down, up, and turn. Down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that face in the front. Coming out of our last set of jumps, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, knee, knee, and jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, knee, knee, and spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeats. Tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap, tap. Great. Next section, we're going to get the booty working. We're going to start with a little pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So nice and simple. Side taps with the booty and elbows. So 2 6/8 of those. And then we take it off over to the left. We go 1, 2, double, 3, and 4 to go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to bring that body pump, 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 and pump. So arms are around, around, all the way. Pump, 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 pump. So we go single, single, double, pop, 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 single, single, double, pop, 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 pop. Let's put both of those together facing the front. We go with the booty first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Repeats. Booty tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, around, hit and hit and hit and hit. 1, 2, around, hit and hit and hit and hit. Now you see I'm adding a little bit of a hip on here. Side, side, double, pop, 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 pop. Hips, hips, double hips, tap, 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 tap. Great, we're gonna start again from the top with the single, single, double, single, single, double, 3 times. Ha, ha, 3, 2, 1, ha, ha. With our walks up, 1, 2, 3, 4, pull, pull, and jump, 5, 6, 7, 8, pull, pull, and jump. Again, front and back. And then we go right back into the verse. Chorus, chorus, double, chorus, chorus, double, side, 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 tap, tap, side, side, hop, hop, hop to begin our walk forwards with our jumps. We're going to end with our twist, double tap, 4 times, one more time with the booty, the single, single, upper body double, pump, 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 single, single, double, pump, 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 pump. And that's all the choreography. Let's dance it.